Janice, thank you again for your interest in the Tippmann Clicker die cutting press. I'm going to demonstrate the Tippmann press cutting with the steel rule cutting die. Now, typically when using this type of die, we die cut die blade up, okay? But I think you said that you guys will probably do your dies in a clear material, so I'm actually going to demonstrate cutting die blade down. Okay, so then you'll set the material down and set your die on top of it like that. So first one I'm going to cut is your thinner material, okay, and I'm going to set the material on the cutting board. I'm then going to take the die and put it on top of the material. We'll slide everything in. We'll hold it for just a second because you want to make sure that it cuts completely through. Okay, so I'll pull it out. And then just like that, we get a nice clean cut. Okay, so we got the cuts, and then you'll notice the straight line there. That's actually your creasing blade. That's a dull blade that's only designed to crease, not cut. So I'm going to show you one more time using that same die and that same material. We're going to set the die blade down, slide everything in. We're going to cut. Hold for just a couple seconds, and you'll learn what your dwell time needs to be, with various materials and various dies. Sometimes it'll be quicker, sometimes it'll be slower. So there is another sample of that one. Okay, next I'm going to demonstrate your other die, this die, cutting the thicker material. Now, since this die does not have ejection foam in it, okay, the material is not going to push out of the die, so I'm going to have to pull it out, but that's no big deal because you can put ejection foam in so that the material easily pops out of the die. So real quick, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to set the material down up at the die on top of the material. We'll slide everything in, pull it for just a second, pull it out, and then just like that we get a nice clean cut. Okay, you'll notice we have the holes, and then we have the these. There was creasing edge on this one as well. You'll notice the punches cut through just fine, but there in the center, I believe, is a like a creasing edge. I'm going to do one more demonstration with that piece. We'll set the material down. Set the die on top of the material, slide everything in, click it out, hold for just a second, pull everything out, and then just like that we get a nice clean cut. You can see the edges are nice and clean, punches cut through real nice. Again, in the center, I'm not quite sure. I think it's designed as just a creasing edge, but you can see how it folds over there. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to send the sample cuts back to you. I'm going to email the video links over to you so you can take a look at these live demonstrations, and we'll go from there. Thank you.